Hello students, welcome to my channel Learning History Made Easy. In today's video, I will be explaining the first part of model paper for reduced syllabus this year. The first part contains 1 mark and 2 mark questions. Before going into the video, if anyone is seeing the channel for the first time or if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and share with your friends. So without wasting time, let us get into the video. So part A is 1 mark questions. There will be 10 1 mark questions. So let us see the first question. What is excavation? Excavation is the scientific digging of earth to unearth the sources. So these 1 mark questions can be answered either in one word or one sentence. So the question is, what is excavation? So excavation is the scientific digging of earth to unearth the sources. Second question, who was the head of the family during Vedic period? The eldest male member was the head of the family and was called Kulapati or Grihapati. The head of the family during Vedic period was the eldest male member and was called as Kulapati or Grihapati. The third question, where was Vardhamana Mahavira born? Answer, Kundagrama near Vaishali. Vardhamana was born in Kundagrama near Vaishali. Who was the founder of Chalukyas of Kalyana? Answer, Tailappa II. Tailappa II was the founder of Chalukyas of Kalyana. Fifth question, name the famous book of Al-Biruni. Answer, Kitab-ul-Hind. Kitab-ul-Hind was the famous book of Al-Biruni. Who was the master architect of Taj Mahal? Ustad Isa. Ustad Isa was the master architect of Taj Mahal. Who is called Jagat Guru Badshah? Answer, Ibrahim Adil Shah II. Ibrahim Adil Shah II was called as Jagat Guru Badshah. Eighth one, name the philosophy of Shankaracharya. Answer, Advaita philosophy. The philosophy of Shankaracharya was Advaita philosophy. Ninth one, why was Bengal partitioned in 1905? Answer, British followed the policy of divide and rule and hence partitioned Bengal in 1905. They intended to create a rift between the Hindus and Muslims. So once more I'll tell the answer. British followed the policy of divide and rule and partitioned Bengal in 1905. They intended to create a rift between the Hindus and Muslims. Now the last question of the first main, that is 1 mark question. Who persuaded the princely states to join the Indian Union? Answer, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel persuaded the princely states to join the Indian Union. So these are the 10 1 mark questions. Now let us move on to the part B, that is 2 mark questions. There will be 10 2 mark questions, that is 20 marks. Actually 12 questions will be given and you will have to write any 10 of them. So there is a choice for you. So let us see the first question, that is it is written as the 11th question. In your question paper it will be part B, question number 11. So when you are writing the answer, always be very careful to write the exact question number, because if you make a mistake and write question number 1 part B, that will be not valued. So part B, 11th question. What is the difference between prehistoric and historic age? Answer, prehistoric age is the age where the written records are not available, and historic age is when we get written records. So once more, prehistoric age is the age where the written records are not available, and historic age is when we get written records. Mention any 2 amusements of Vedic people. Chariot racing, horse racing, dancing, etc. were the amusements of Vedic people. Chariot racing, horse racing, dancing, all were the amusements of Vedic people. 13th question. Who were the parents of Buddha? King Shuddhodana and Queen Maya Devi were the parents of Buddha. King Shuddhodana and Queen Maya Devi were the parents of Buddha. 14th question. Name any two architectural centers of Shatavahanas. Nasik, Amaravati, Nagarjunakonda, etc. were the architectural centers of Shatavahanas. Any two you can write. Nasik, Amaravati, Nagarjunakonda were the architectural centers of Shatavahanas. 15th one. Name any two titles of Dhruva. Answer. Dharavarsha and Sri Vallabha were the titles of Dhruva. Dharavarsha and Sri Vallabha were the titles of Dhruva. 16th one. Name any two dynasty of Delhi Sultanate. Answer. Slave dynasty, Khilji dynasty, Tughlaq dynasty, etc. were the dynasties of Delhi Sultanate. Slave, Khilji, Tughlaq dynasty, etc. 17th one. Name any two types of lands classified by Todarmal. Answer. Polaj land, that is a land always in cultivation. Parauti land, land which was left fallow for 1 or 2 years, were the two types of lands classified by Todarmal. See, Todarmal had classified land into Polaj, Parauti, Chachar, Banjar. So any two you can write. So I have given here Polaj and Parauti. 18th one. Which was the two important taxes collected by Shivaji? Answer. Chaud and Sardeshmukh. Chaud and Sardeshmukh were the two important taxes collected by Shivaji. 19th question. Who were the founders of Vijayanagara Empire? Answer. Harihara and Bukkaraya founded the Vijayanagara Empire. Harihara and Bukkaraya founded the Vijayanagara Empire. Name any two mathas established by Madhvacharya. Answer. Sode Matha, Siruru Matha, Krishnapura Matha, etc. Sode Matha, Siruru Matha, Krishnapura Matha, etc. were established by Madhvacharya. 21st one. Name any two important commissioners of Mysore. Answer. Mark Cubbon and Louis Bentham Bowring. The two important commissioners of Mysore, Mark Cubbon and Louis Bentham Bowring. And the 22nd question. When was the first session of the Indian National Congress held and where? Answer. The first session of Indian National Congress was held in Bombay on 27th December 1885. So the first session of Indian National Congress was held in Bombay on 27th December 1885. So these are the 12 2-mark questions. Out of these you will have to write any 10 of the questions. So I hope you have understood these questions clearly. The coming videos will be about 5-mark question, and the third part, this is the first part, that is 1 mark and 2 mark. The next video will be the second part, that is 5-mark question, and the third video third part will be 10-mark questions, and match the following in chronological order. So like that, 1 model paper I will be completing. Together with that, the lesson wise videos will be going on, that also together I will be uploading. So I hope you have understood all the questions very clearly. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment section. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Your likes and comments will be of a great encouragement for me to make more and more videos. I hope to see you all soon in the next video. Thank you for watching.